Hello there, thanks for watching the video and clicking on this video. I've got something really cool for you, and this one I want you to bear with me. I'm not going to make it a long video, but I'm going to show you something really special and something that you may have seen time and time again, but this is actually going to be for real, and it's going to give you the best method to make $1,000 plus a day using AI, and the recommended way to start as a beginner. So if you're a beginner, you're going to love this. If you're looking to make extra money online, you're going to love this. And it actually takes something that a lot of people are doing, but just changes one thing to make a lot more money. So I'm really excited to show you. Do subscribe, do give the video a like. It really helps me produce the videos. It lets me know that you're watching. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe if you're interested in building income streams using the help of AI. Also, check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page, and it will give you 100 AI prompts, all to do with SEO, niche sites, building affiliate funnels. These are 100 AI prompts that I wish I had when I started my business, before AI, before YouTube even. Do check them out, they're totally for free, and it will help you to use AI as well. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to show you the recommended way if you want to make really good money, $1,000 plus, using the help of AI, and I'm going to walk you through it. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so one of the best things that you can do if you're a beginner and you're looking to make really good money online, and you're not looking to perhaps mess about with making $20 sales, $40 sales. If you want to make $1,000 a day, I highly recommend getting a product, and this isn't rocket science, but getting a product that pays you really well. Now that could be your own product, your own service, but one of the things that gets really overlooked is high earning or high payout affiliate programs. And I've got a few examples here, and you can use AI to find more. You want to really have affiliate programs that pay you over $300, $400, $500 a sale, if not $1,000 a sale, because then you know that all you have to do is hit one sale a day and you're hitting your target. Even if you get one sale every other day, that's still $500 a day. Okay, and the one that I'm going to focus on here for the purposes of the video to show you how to do some stuff with AI and the method is NetJets, and you can see here it's a private jet membership. You've also got Qatar Airways Privilege Club, like flying clubs and so on. And the reason that these are great is because private jet memberships are really expensive. Also, fractional ownership to actually own a jet, for high net worth travellers, $1,000 plus per referral, because the actual membership will range from $10,000 to hundreds and thousands of dollars. Now this one is available via direct affiliate partnerships, but you've also got a lot here that are on commission junction and so on, so you can check them out and use AI to find some really good high paying affiliate programs. Other examples for you are villas, villa stays, holiday stays. They've got affiliate programs, and if someone is booking a world cruise, and you obviously get a percentage of that, that's the first step. Go for really high paying affiliate programs. So we've got ours, it's NetJets for the purpose of this example. Let me walk you through the method. Okay, so your $1,000 a day, we've got the affiliate program. Where's the traffic, where's the business going to come from? I recommend building a niche site around the affiliate program, in this case NetJets. You've also got here Wheels Up and other competitors that are the same thing. And what the best place to start before you start building out content with AI is keyword research. So you can see here, this is a prompt that I recommend that you use, something like this. Generate a list of easy to rank, high intent keywords for an affiliate site targeting potential customers of NetJets and private jet memberships. Focus on keywords with moderate competition but high purchase intent, and include long tail keywords for fractional jet ownership, private jet membership benefits, and comparisons with other private jet services. List 15 to 20 keyword ideas with estimated search volumes. So you can modify that a bit if you were just going to go for long tails, but I want to get a good sweep at it, a broad stroke at it. And you can see here, here's a list of keywords: NetJets versus Wheels Up, 1,300 searches per month. Now obviously use the keyword tool, a proper one, to verify that, but just for the purpose of this video, you can see, look, these keywords, and they're getting searches a month, and they'll be laser targeted to someone: EXO membership, NetJets, and for an affiliate program that will pay over $1,000 per sale. And then you could also, if you wanted to, you could also use a prompt like this: give me the keywords from above I should start with based on low competition and buying intent. So just something like that, and it's again taking those keywords from above, and now it's giving me its suggestions. What should I start with? These keywords have lower competition, strong purchase intent, is fractional jet ownership worth it, private jet membership, and so on. Okay, so now we've got a site idea, and we've got the key phrases, and we know there's searches a month. What next? Okay, so next up we know that we need content for all those keywords. And one of the best pieces of advice that I've got for you when using AI for content is to spend some time on the prompt. You know, you're not just going to get good content from AI by saying, write me a content piece on XYZ. You want to really focus in on what you like, the quality. And you can see here, I'll give you the prompt and just go through it quickly. But something like this: write a 1,500 word SEO optimized article targeting the keyword private jet membership, structured with a captivating introduction, main sections and conclusion. Use a conversational, informative tone to engage high net worth travelers interested in private jet memberships. The article should include the following: introduction. Section 1 is overview, explain what NetJets offers. Section 2 is benefits. Section 3 is comparison to Wheels Up and EXO, and there are other services to look at as well. You can join their affiliate programs, so if someone decides to use them, you can link to them and still cash in. Pricing and membership options, and then conclusion and CTA, and 1,500 words, and you can see this is the type of content that it will give me. And then of course you want to make sure that it's unique, add videos in there, and make sure that it's all optimized. You don't want to just copy and paste it as is, but you want to use that sort of prompt, if that makes sense, for your content. So now we've got a really great niche that pays a lot. We know that we've got the right keywords, and we know how to create really, really good content. What's the next step? Okay, so the next step is to SEO optimize the content. So we've got the content, we know that the content's good because we followed the previous step, and we've also made it our own, edited it and made it like our own content, unique. Now you can use a prompt to SEO it, and something like this: take the following content above, in this case, and fully optimize it for SEO. Enhance keyword placement, ensure the main keyword private jet membership appears naturally in the title, introduction, subheadings and conclusion. Maintain a keyword density of about 1 to 2% without keyword stuffing. Include secondary keywords like, and then you can put whatever keywords that you want there. I haven't bothered. Add meta tags, create an enticing SEO friendly title and then meta description. Optimize the headers, improve readability, add internal and external links to relevant internal and external links, add engaging call to action. So then it takes the content you can see here and it adds more subheadings, and it, see this, NetJets versus Wheel Up, NetJets versus EXO, is it worth it, pricing and membership, why choose it, there's the meta tags, there's the internal and external links recommended, and you've got an SEO driven content piece, and you can build a site quickly and easily that will rank via SEO. You just need to grab a domain name, and you could review, and you could build out for each of those private jet memberships and join their affiliate programs, and you will catch people looking for those services and make $1,000 plus per sale. So a quick recap: go for the high rated affiliate programs. There's less competition, and when you do get a sale, you'll make far more per sale. So I hope that's useful to you. You could also, as a little bonus, you could also use social media to get more traffic. You can use AI to produce social media content on top. So Facebook here, write a Facebook post introducing my review of NetJets and why it's the perfect choice for people looking for top tier solutions. Encourage readers to check out the review of the website with a call to action. So here we go, insert link if you're considering a private jet membership, so you can get your social media content as well. Build out a content plan, focus on those keywords that we had a look at, the main ones to focus in first, and you've got an affiliate program that pays you over $1,000 a day with a sale a day, and you've also got a method of actually ranking and getting traffic as well. So if you did enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate you, and get your free prompts below. It will really help you, and stay tuned for more. I've got more guides on how to use AI to reach your money and your income goals. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.